With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, if omega is the imaginary cube root of unity, then find value of 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega cube into 1 plus omega 4 into 1 plus omega 5 and so on up to 1 plus omega the power 3n is equals to. So first of all, we have 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square into 1 plus omega cube into 1 plus omega 4 into 1 plus omega 5 and so on up to 1 plus omega the power 3n. So this can be written as 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega 4 into 1 plus omega 5 in a single bracket. So you will have this as into 1, this comes out to be into 1 plus omega 7 into 1 plus omega 8 and so on up to 1 plus omega 3n minus 2 into 1 plus omega 3n minus 1 by the property of sum of property. So you can write this as, by manipulating it, you will write like this. So first of all, this is 1 plus omega the power 3n minus 1 multiplied with 1 into omega cube. This is left out here. That is why I have written separately here. So this is 1 into omega cube, and in here in this is omega the power 4, not square, this is omega the power 4. In it, you have this as 1 into omega cube. Now, what is left out? 1 plus omega the power 6 left out. So, here it is 1 plus omega the power 6. Similarly, 1 plus omega the power 9. And so on up to 1 plus. So, you can see that this is the multiple of 3. The power is multiple of 3. That is 3 into 2 and 3 into 2. That is why you can write this 1 plus omega the power 3n. And here it is the multiple of 3 minus 1. So that is why you have manipulated in such a case that it comes out to be like this, which is equals to 2 to the power n, because the sum is nothing but 2 to the power n. So you have written like 2 to the power n. So when you write 2 to the power n, this comes out to be minus of omega square left out into minus of omega into minus of omega square into minus of omega and so on up to it goes to minus omega square into minus omega. As you know, this whole term becomes 1 because omega, it will become omega cube, and omega cube, you know that this comes out to be 2 to the power n, that is 1 into 1, which is nothing but 2 to the power n. So the answer is C option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.